Dear student, today we shall learn in linear equation and inequality in two variable. Two parts. First part is linear equation in two variable. Second part is inequality in two variable. First part, linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable of standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A, B, C are real number and x and y are variables. Two variables in linear equation in two variable. Therefore, two equation a1x b1y c1 equal to 0, a2x b2y c2 equal to 0, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are real number and x and y variable. Solution of two variable. Second point, solution of two variable. Algebraic method and graphically method. Graphically and algebraic. Algebraic method we learn in 9th class. Three types: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiply method. We learn in graphically method. Graphically method, x-axis, y-axis, origin point and quadrant. Horizontal line is denoted by x-axis, x1. Vertically line is y-axis, y1. Origin point O, coordinate of O 0 and 0. O is right side positive number, left side negative number, upper positive and lower negative. Divide by 4 part: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Count by anti-clockwise. Therefore, point A, 2 and 3. First number denoted by x and second number denoted by y. First quadrant, x positive and y positive. X positive and y positive. Second quadrant, y negative, x negative and y positive. X negative and y positive. Third quadrant, both are negative, x negative, y negative, and fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Divide by fourth quadrant, first, second, third and fourth according to sign. Some important point denoted by graph. Some important point denoted by graph. First point according to sign 2 and 3, B point -3 and 2, C point -3 and -3, D point 2 and -3, and important point 0 and 2 and F point 3 and 0. For point according to sign, both are positive, x and y, x negative, y positive, both are negative, x and y, and x positive, y negative, and E and F is x is 0 and y is 0. Represent graph x axis, y axis, x1, y1, origin point, and some positive and negative point 1, 2 and 3. Positive number 1, 2 and 3. Negative number -1, -2, -3. Negative number -1, -2, -3. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. First A point, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. X equal to 2, this number. Y equal to 3, this number. Join the point x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. A dot and circle A point 2 and 3. Next B point, x की value -2 and y equal to 2. X equal to -3 and y equal to 2. X equal to -3, y equal to 2. Point and circle B point -3 and 2. C point, x -3, y -3, x -3, y -3. C point -3 and -3. Next D point, x equal to +2 and y equal to -3. X equal to +2 and y equal to -3. This point D 2 and -3. Next point 0 and 2, x 0, y equal to 2, y equal to 2, y axis, positive number upper direction. E point 0 and 2. F point 3 and 0, x equal to 3 and y equal to 0. X equal to 3, x axis positive 3, this, and y equal to 0, therefore F point coordinate of 3 and 0. According to sign, A positive, x equal to +2, y equal to +3, therefore first quadrant. B point -3 and 2, therefore second quadrant. C point both are negative, therefore third quadrant, and plus minus is fourth quadrant, and value of x equal to 0 and value of y equal to 0, therefore denoted by y axis, and y equal to 0 and x equal to 3, therefore x axis. Next point, comparing the constant number a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, and find the solution of graphically method. Part point table. Compare real number. Graphically representation. Solution. First part a1 upon a2 coefficient of x, coefficient of y b1 upon b2 not equal. Therefore, two lines are intersecting. Intersecting line. This intersect point. And solution, unique solution. Only one solution. Second part comparing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Therefore, two lines are coincident. Coincident means overlapping line. Many solutions. Third condition, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Therefore, two lines are parallel. Parallel line. Therefore, no solution. Comparing the constant number a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 and find the solution a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then graphically intersecting line and P is a intersect point. Second case, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Coincident line, therefore overlapping line, many solution. Third case, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Then two lines are parallel line, therefore no solution. Next, some important question represented by graphically solution. First question, two x plus 5y equal to 10. Second equation, 3x plus 6y equal to 12. Solve this equation and find the value of x and y. First equation, put the value of x equal to 0. 2 as it is, multiply by 0, 5y equal to 10. This number is 0. 5y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2. Second case, y equal to 0. 2x as it is, 5y, y value put 0 equal to 10. This number is 0. Therefore, 2x equal to 10, x equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. Put the value of x equal to 0, then find the value y equal to 2. Put the value of y equal to 0, therefore x equal to 5. Second equation and find solution, 3x plus 6y equal to 12. Table, first x equal to 0, 3 multiply by 0, 6y equal to 12. This number is 0, 6y equal to 12. y equal to 12 by 6 and 2. Second case, y equal to 0. 3x as it is, 6y, put the value 0 equal to 12, this number 0. 3x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 3 and 4. Put the value of x equal to 0, therefore y equal to 2. And y equal to 0, then put the value of x equal to 4. Represent the number graph, point A, B and C, x-axis, y-axis, origin point, positive number, negative number, upper positive number, lower negative number. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. First point, 0 and 2. X equal to 0, y equal to 2. Y equal to plus 2, therefore y axis upper direction, plus 2 equal to this number. Second point, 5 and 0. X equal to 5, y equal to 0. X equal to 5, x axis positive direction. Join the A and B. Coordinate of A 0, 2. Coordinate of B 5 and 0. Second case, first point 0 and 2 means x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Y equal to 2, this number. Second point, 4 and 0. X equal to 4, y equal to 0. Join this number. Two lines are intersecting. Point A, coordinate of C 4 and 0. Equation of first line 2x plus 5y equal to 10. And equation of second line 3x plus 6y equal to 12. Solution, intersecting line, intersect point A, coordinate of x equal to 0 and coordinate of y equal to 0. Therefore, two equation 2x plus 5y equal to 10 and 3x plus 6y equal to 12, value of x equal to 0 and value of y equal to 2. Solution of graphically method. Check by line using table A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2, coefficient of x 2 and 3, therefore 2 by 3. B1 upon B2, comparing y coefficient 5 by 6. A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Therefore, two lines are intersecting and value of x and value of y. Method of checking. Second question लीजिए. For x plus 6y equal to 18 and 2x plus 3y equal to 9. First equation, put the value of x equal to 0. For as it is, multiply by 0, 6y equal to 18. This number are 0, 6y equal to 18, y equal to 18 by 6 equal to 3. Put the value of x equal to 0, then value of y equal to 3. Second case, y equal to 0. For x as it is 6y, y put the value of 0 equal to 18. This number are overall 0. For x equal to 18, x equal to 18 by 4, cancel 9 by 2, divide by 2, 4.5. Put the value of y equal to 0, then x equal to 4.5. Second equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 9. First, put the value of x equal to 0. X equal to 0. 2 as it is, multiply by 0, 3y equal to 9. This number are 0. 3y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 by 3. 9 को 3 से divide 3. Then x equal to 0, therefore y equal to 3. Second time, put the value of y equal to 0. 2x as it is, 3y, y 0 equal to 9. This number are 0. 2x equal to 9. X equal to 9 by 2 means 4.5. Value of y equal to 0, therefore x equal to 4.5. This point denoted by graph, x-axis, x1, y-axis, y1, origin point O, positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side is negative number -1, -2, -3, -4. Upper number is positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and lower number is negative -1, -2, -3 and -4. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. First point, 0 and 3. X equal to 0 and y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, positive direction of y axis. Positive direction of y axis, this number A, 0 and 3. Second point, x equal to 4.5 and y equal to 0. X 4.5 means x axis positive direction. 4.5, 4 and 5 meet the value 4.5. B point 4.5 and 0. Join A and B using ruler and line AB. Second case, 0 and 3. X equal to 0, y equal to 3. X equal to 0, y equal to 3. Same number. Next, 4.5 and 0. X equal to 4.5 and 0. Same number. Join the line, same line and double arrow. Double arrow means two lines are coincident, overlapping line. First equation, 4x plus 6y equal to 18. Second equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 9. And solution, coincident line and many solution or infinite solution. Check using the table. Comparing number a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 coefficient of x 4 by 2 cancel to 2 by 1. b1 upon b2 6 by 3 cancel 2 by 1. c1 upon c2 18 by 9 2 by 1. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2 are equal. Therefore, solution of coincident line and many solution. Thank you. कितना बाकी है?